Okay, so Moonshot AI just dropped Kimi K2.7 Code, and it beat Claude Opus 4.8 on a real tool use test, 81 to 76.
And honestly, that is the boring part. It also cut its own thinking tokens by 30% versus the previous version, which nobody is talking about.
Wait, hold on. Prove it. An open weight model beats Claude on a real test, and the bigger story is efficiency. That sounds like spin.
The limitation is not technical, Zwi. 12 community quantizations shipped in 4 days. Unsloth alone hit 9,000 downloads. This genie is out.
So if a trillion parameter open model just beat Claude on tool use and runs on 2 Mac Studios, what are we paying $70 a month for?
You are paying for the multi-day coworker office, where Claude still leads. But the open weights cannot match closed contract, just got renegotiated in public. An open-weight Chinese coding model just beat Anthropic's flagship on a real tool use test. On MCP Mark Verified, a human-verified suite that grades whether a model can drive GitHub, Notion, Postgres, and Playwright to actually finish work, Kimi K2.7 Code hit 81.1. Claude Opus 4.8 hit 76.4. The weights are on a Hugging Face page right now. The win is not a one benchmark fluke. K2.7 Code also jumped to 76.0 on MCP Atlas, up from K2.6's 69.4, and posted 62.0 on the in-house Kimi Code Bench v2, up from 50.9. 6 tests, one direction up. And this is the version that thinks less, not more. Kimi K2.7 Code is a 1 trillion parameter mixture of experts model. Only 32 billion parameters fire per token. 8 of 384 expert slices wake up for any single word, the trick that lets a trillion parameter brain run like a smaller one. The context window is 256,000 tokens, the vocabulary is 160,000, and it ships with a native int4 quantization. And here is the number that should rearrange your sense of cost. Moonshot says K2.7 Code uses about 30% fewer thinking tokens than K2.6 to reach the same answer. A third less compute burned on reasoning scratchpad, on a model that is already winning. The closed rivals are not close on token efficiency at this capability tier. And here is the wild part, Zwi. 12 independent quantizations went live in the first 4 days. Unsloth SGGUF, multiple MLX builds, an int4 Apple Silicon port, third-party BF16 ports. The Unsloth GGUF alone pulled 9,300 downloads before the week was out. The community is not watching, it is shipping. Wait, the craziest part. A user named Whistler Capital posted on the Hugging Face discussion tab on June 15th that he got a 2 Mac Studio MLX rig to run the BF16 model at 20.1 tokens per second. A trillion parameter open weight model responding at human reading speed on a desktop. Now the part the community is grumbling about, worth saying out loud. The discussion tab has 7 open threads and the most upvoted ones are not praise, they are requests. A 26 billion parameter consumer variant, an FP8 official quant, a non-coding sibling. The openness is real, but the model is still enormous. XS shape has not caught up. There is a second benchmark story most people will miss. On Kimi Claw 24/7 Bench, a 610-point long horizon agentic test, K2.7 Code posted 46.9 against Opus 4.8's 50.4. Claude still owns the multi-day office. But the gap on tool use just flipped, and that is the part that ages badly for anyone who priced Claude Code as untouchable. So the assumption that just broke is the one we have all been quietly carrying, that an open weight model cannot beat Anthropic on a real tool use test this year. It happened on June 11, 2026 in public with weights you can download right now. The line between closed and open just stopped being a capability line on the coding agent axis. And the real question is what Anthropic does in the next 90 days, because the lever they have been pulling, raw capability, just got matched by a lab in Beijing running on native int4 weights, while a guy in his office runs the same model on 2 Mac Studios. The closed wall did not crack all at once. Cracked on real tool use.
Yeah, that one is going to sit with me for a while. Subscribe if you want the next open weight drop before YouTube catches up.